What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on a Block back again. Something a little different for you today. This has been a joint venture between Three Wheels on a Block and Haycock's Customs. Had a 1942 Ford come in, had some damage on it from the owner having a little mishap trying to park it in the garage, damaged the car on the driver's front, passenger front, and the passenger rear fender. So you can see in the photographs the damage was pretty extensive. However, we were able to do some metalworking and even match the original paint color to bring this back to its glory. Let's take a look and see how the progress went. And then you can see here the passenger front fender. Got that area repaired. Also repaired the area at the passenger rear fender. Walk around here to the driver's side to show you what that looks like. Got that area repaired. This is guide code over the primer in case you guys are wondering. Get ready to block it down for its final sanding before we take care of the paint work. This is after the wet sanding is taking place, just before the primer. Got everything smoothed out, looks really good. And I have to say it came out pretty well. Was not sure if we were going to be able to recover that passenger front fender. Alright, and here we have the 42 Ford backing out of the garage after the paint work is done. And I must say this thing did come out pretty slick. Looks like it was never involved in the accident that it was in. Had some people in the past say, oh, that color didn't match, or whatever. But this color was an exact match of the original. We just repainted the fenders on the passenger driver's side and the rear fenders. And you can see the color is definitely spot on. Car came out looking fantastic. As we pan around to the side and to the rear fender, you'll see that there's no difference in the color at all. We also went ahead and polished the whole car because it had been several years since it had been painting. There had been no paint correction done on the car, so we went ahead and polished everything out just to kind of even out the finish. That way the fender didn't look shiny and the rest of the car looked hazy. And I must say that it did come out really well. This thing looks like it is ready for the show. And that's exactly what the owner is going to do. Show it off. The Super Deluxe badge that we replaced. You can see the headlight bezels have also been replaced on both sides. New rings on there. Everything polished up. Looks really well. Go ahead and take you guys to the interior. Show you what the inside looks like. Now the interior, as you can see, is in really nice shape. So wanted to make sure that what we did on the exterior was going to be just as nice as the rest of the car was prior to the accident. And you can see the car is really in immaculate shape for a 1942 Ford. It's been really well kept, all original, and now it has the matching finish to match everything else. And here's the owner pulling away with his 1942 Ford Super Deluxe. My name's Erwin. This Three Wheels on a Block. We're giving back what time is taken away. We'll see you soon.